Art and storytelling are powerful tools for educating people about breast cancer, as they can transform complex medical information into relatable, memorable, and emotionally resonant experiences. Here's how you can use these mediums effectively. Begin by sharing personal stories, real or fictional, that depict the journey of someone affected by breast cancer. Narratives that include diagnosis, treatment, challenges, and triumphs help demystify the disease and foster empathy. Stories can be shared through written accounts, spoken word, short films, or podcasts. Visual art, such as paintings, photography, sculpture, or digital illustration, can capture the emotional landscape of breast cancer. Art installations or exhibitions featuring survivors' portraits, symbolic representations, or collaborative projects like quilt making or mural painting can create communal spaces for reflection and dialogue. Interactive workshops that combine storytelling and artistic expression encourage participants to process their feelings, share their perspectives, and learn from one another. For example, inviting survivors and supporters to create visual journals or write letters to their past or future selves can be both therapeutic and educational. Incorporate educational content within the narrative or artwork. For instance, a comic strip might follow a character through self-examination, screening, and treatment, subtly providing information on symptoms, risk factors, and the importance of early detection. Similarly, an art piece could visually illustrate the stages of breast cancer or the impact of support networks. Leverage social media and community events to showcase these stories and artworks, amplifying their reach. Online galleries, virtual storytelling sessions, or awareness campaigns that feature user-generated content can engage broader audiences and reduce stigma. By blending facts with human experience, art and storytelling make breast cancer education more accessible, relatable, and impactful, empowering individuals to take proactive steps in their own health and support others.